Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the accounting module in our system, the Amala banking system. So I'll just start with the accounting part. So here is the list which is found in our core banking system, the part of accounting. So I will just start to explain one by one, starting with the charts of accounts. So this chart of account, this is just a list of accounts that are found within the system. So here you can just, whenever you want to view the list of accounts, you can just come to the chart of accounts, or when you want to add the type of account that you want to use within your organization, you can just come here. This is just the list view. I mean, this is just a table view of the list of accounts. You can also view in a tree view. You can find it, you can expand them. You can see several lists which have been created already within the system. Also you can collapse them. So let's go direct to create the type of account that you want to use. So typically we have several types of accounts. We have like 5 types: the assets, liability, equity, income, and expenses. So let's say you want to create the list of accounts within organization. I will just show you an example. Okay, let me show you one example. Maybe you have a list of entries that you want to enter within the system. So at first you have to create the accounts. So let's pick one among these ones. Let's say salaries paid by bank transfer 50. So here you want maybe to create the asset account and the expense account, as you can see here. So you have to create a bank account as an asset, the current asset, and the salaries and wages and expense account. So let's go direct to our system and see how we can go through that. So I will just start by creating the asset. So here I'll just pick an asset, and after that you have to name the kind of asset, maybe the current asset or the current asset account. Okay, after that you have to select either it's a header or the details. So between these two, the header is the type of account which does not involve with creating the entries. So this is like a major account. Maybe the current asset asset account will be as a header, and the detail, this will be the type of account within the headers. So after creating the header is when you are supposed to create the details account. So I will just by starting, I will create the header account, and the GL code, let's say it is 400, and it has to be unique from all kind of general ledger codes that you want to create. Whenever you create an account, you have to create the GL code, the general ledger code, which is very unique from others. Also the parent here, we don't have to select the parent. This is because it's the first time that you are creating a header account, so you just leave it here. It will just appear automatically when you want to create the detail account. Okay, so here there is an option to tag. Maybe you want to tag some kind of accounts, you can also tag. Also you have to allow the manual entries, and also you can enter the description. Maybe you have several comments or description that you want to attach with the kind of account that you are creating. So after that you have to submit, and when you submit, you can see here it has already been created, the head account, which is the asset account with the general ledger code 400. So here you have to create the children within this account. This is just a head account, so we have to add a detail account. So here you just need to add the sub-ledger account, and after that you can see here the parent has already appeared here automatically. So here you're just going to enter the account name. As you remember, I have shown you a certain example. We want to create an account, the bank account. This will be an asset account, the current one. So I will just enter there as a bank account. let's name it bank account number 1. Okay, and after that you have to select the usage as a detail account. Like I told before, this is the type of account that will be dealing with creating the entries. So the GL code we will just enter as 401. Yeah, 401. After that you can also tag if you want, so you can allow the manual entries. Also you can attach the description, and after that you can submit. So if you submit, you can see we have already created our account here. So this will be a detail account. It's an asset with the GL code of 401. Parent account is current account, the current asset account. Account usage, the detail, manual entries true. So you can just view this type of account that we have created in the charts of accounts. So you go back and you select the chart of accounts, and after that you can also write it there. Maybe I can enter as 400. You can see, okay, it will come here, the current asset account. So you can see this is the head account that we have created, if you remember. Also, this is just a table view. You can also write 401, then you can search it. You will find the detail account. So this one, you can see it here, bank account number 1. Also you can view it in a table view, I mean in a tree view. You can also see it here. So in my next video I'll show you how to create the expense account. So, and after that we'll try to enter the entries within the accounts that we have created. So thank you.